Hey there, beautiful! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm so excited to share with you some fabulous DIY spa day ideas that are perfect for teen girls looking to indulge in a little self-care and relaxation. Whether you're stressed out from school or just in need of some pampering, these ideas are sure to leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So, let's dive right in. 1. Homemade face masks. There's nothing quite like a luxurious face mask to nourish your skin and leave you glowing from within. Whip up your own DIY face mask using ingredients like avocado, honey, and yogurt. Apply it to your clean skin, kick back, and relax while it works its magic. Your skin will thank you for the extra love and attention. 2. DIY manicure and pedicure. Treat yourself to a salon-worthy manicure and pedicure right in the comfort of your own home. Start by soaking your hands and feet in warm, soapy water to soften the skin. Then, gently exfoliate with a homemade sugar scrub to slough away any rough patches. Finish off with a coat of your favorite nail polish for a pop of color that will leave you feeling polished and put together. 3. Relaxing bath time ritual. Create your own spa-like atmosphere by drawing a warm bath and adding in some luxurious bath salts or bubbles. Light some scented candles, play some soothing music, and sink into the tub for a blissful escape from the stresses of everyday life. It's the perfect way to unwind and pamper yourself after a long day. 4. DIY hair masks. Give your locks some much-needed TLC with a nourishing DIY hair mask. Mix up ingredients like coconut oil, honey, and egg yolks to create a hydrating treatment that will leave your hair soft, shiny, and oh so smooth. Apply it from roots to ends, wrap your hair in a warm towel, and let it work its magic while you relax and unwind. 5. Meditation and mindfulness. Take some time to quiet your mind and practice mindfulness with a relaxing meditation session. Find a quiet space, sit or lie down comfortably, and focus on your breath as you let go of any tension or stress. You'll emerge from your meditation feeling centered, calm, and ready to take on the world with a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. And there you have it, lovelies. I hope you found these DIY spa day ideas helpful for pampering yourself and indulging in some much-needed self-care. Remember, you deserve to take time for yourself and prioritize your well-being. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.